Stop trying to automate a digital business that is not stable yet. In this video, I am going to be teaching you how I would automate my business and turn my views into real sales if I was to be a total beginner. And after this video, I don't want to see coaches with 1,000 leads and 0 sales. So I want you to watch this video till the end. Save this video because you might need it later. Don't say I did not tell you. And make sure you are sharing this video to every creator or coach you see on TikTok. In part 1, I taught you how to validate your business and turn your views into real buyer inquiries. And in part 2, I taught you how to refine your offer so you can get people ready to pay you without you convincing them. Today in this video, I am going to be teaching you how you can automate your business so you can get more time freedom. So your business doesn't depend on you being the bottleneck every single day. Trust me, you would want to watch this video till the end because this is the exact framework that stopped me from rebuilding my business every single time, burning out, making sales even when I was offline. So if you don't only want to learn, but actually apply this to your digital business so you can turn your views into sales, comment, I'll apply it in the comment section. Grab your pen and paper and let's go to the board. I know that a lot of coaches are teaching you that automation means AI funnels or scheduled posts. No. Real automation means building a business system that nurtures your leads, captures your buyers, and creates sales even when you are offline. At first, I was doing everything manually. Manual coaching, manual content planning, manual DMs, manual emails, even manual sales conversations. I was constantly thinking, what should I post? What should I say? What should I send? And honestly, even though I had the knowledge, the business depended too much on me. I was the bottleneck, especially when I had a lot of students to coach in a particular month. So instead of posting more or scheduling more appointments, I started building systems and communities. I need you to write this down. There are 2 parts inside the automation stage. So part 1, we have the automation activities and automation content types. So we have about 9 automation activities that you need to do. Lead magnets, nurture emails, sales pages, booking systems, automated follow-ups, evergreen funnels, communities, AI support system, repurposing systems, and buyer filtering systems. This is what creates business stability. And these are the type of content you create during the automation stage. So number 1, we have the lead capture content. This type of content moves your viewers to your forms, your bookings, your community, or your email list. So number 2, we have the evergreen content. And this type of content brings in leads, buyers, leads, and even buyers months later, even when you are offline. Number 3, we have the nurture content. So the nurture content helps you to build trust slowly through your lives, your long form videos, your email follow-ups. Number 4, we have the filter content. This helps you filter time wasters and attract serious buyers. This is where you get more time freedom. Number 5, we have the repurpose content. This is where one live training becomes a short form video, a YouTube long form video, emails, nurture posts, lead magnets, and sales content. This is how actual creators stop burning out, stop guessing, and rebuilding their business every single month. The goal of automation is not to remove you completely. No, the goal is making the business easier, more sustainable, and more repeatable. This is where I want to touch most. If you've been making a lot of sales, you've been having a lot of students to coach, this is where you build the AI systems. Now, these AI systems is where you turn your knowledge into an AI system, which helps you to do your coachings and your trainings even when you are not available. This actually gives you more time freedom while you go out there and do the beautiful things that you love to do. Asking, Queen, how do I do all these activities by myself? Or how do I even inculcate all these types of content in my videos? Don't worry, I got you. The queen of content to sales. Comment automation. If you want the exact system that helps creators build content systems, lead generation systems, nurture systems, and automation workflows, and I'll send the exact system to you. Now, if this video was helpful, comment it was helpful, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah. All these frameworks and stages, activities, and content types have been inculcated in this system. This system takes you through these 3 stages in this business journey, step by step, without you having to think it or burn out, to give you more time freedom.